Excuse me? Did you seriously just sneeze? Unbelievable. The teacher was in the middle of speaking and your sneeze caused me to not hear what she said. What's that? It's not your problem? You know what? Sometimes you make me so dang mad. Oh my goodness, did I just use the D word? I am so sorry. I don't know what I was thinking. It just slipped out. Excuse me, miss. I'm sorry for interrupting, but you need to know this. I just said the D word. That's right. I cursed and I deserve to be punished for it. What's that, miss? That word is not a curse word? Yes, it is. And I need to be punished for